Well, everybody, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our class today, and I hope you will enjoy my explanation and also understand what I'm saying. First of all, let's say Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, with me, I will try to explain what CLIL is, or we can say CLIL, CLIL. As we know, it stands for Content and Language Integrated Learning, CLIL. Okay, and here, stop on it. Okay, guess I have to. Yeah, for introduction, introducing CLIL to us, CLIL is an educational approach that integrates the teaching of content subject with the teaching of a second language. So we teach the language together with the material subject. For example, we teach math, we teach science in English. So we teach the topic of math and science together. We also teach the language, in this case English. Okay, that's the introduction for us. And why CLIL? Why we use CLIL? Why it's so important for us? Here it will improve language proficiency both for teachers and for students. Yeah, for teachers actually, we are forced to improve. Yeah, we are forced to improve our language proficiency, enhance content language, and increase intercultural understanding. So when we teach students, we have enough knowledge to teach them. So we are actually forced to improve our language proficiency. Yeah, in specific subjects such as math. It could be science or the other subject. And for the next, there are 4 principles of CLIL. They are content, communication, cognition, and culture. For the first, content, yeah, teaching specific content is in a second language. It means, yeah, as I said before, we teach some material, some subject. It could be math, science, PE, physical education, for example, or biology, and another subject in a second language. Here, our second language is English. That is the content mean. So we give the content of the subject through our second language, through English as a second language. And then we also have to focusing on language development through meaningful communication. It means that we also develop students English in order to know the topic well. So when we talk about the specific terms, they will understand what we are saying. So when we communicate with them, they will understand about the topic we will discuss. Okay. And also in applying CLIL, here teachers will develop, or this approach will develop the critical thinking of the students, also developing their problem solving when discussing some topic in English, and developing their high order cognitive skills. So not only just completing this no question, but they also improve their thinking skill. So when we give them some problems that they force them to think, they can do it so well. And the last principle is about culture. Since we explain the material in another language, so at the same time we have we will encouraging in what is it? We have to encouraging intercultural awareness and understanding. It means that we will also learn their language. So yeah, then when we learn, when we apply this CLIL, when we learn the topic of science, of math, at the same time we learn, we aware their language, their culture. That's the four principle of CLIL. Okay, implementation of CLIL. The first, learning language and content objectives, selecting appropriate materials and integrating language support. So just as I said before, when we explaining the material, explain the topic, at the same time we also teach them the language. For example, we give them some vocabularies related to the subject, related to the topic that we discuss. The next, providing vocabularies, yeah, providing vocabularies development and language focus activity, yeah. While we give them the new term, at the same time we teach them the new vocabularies. We will develop their vocabularies, of course in English, because we teach them in English, yeah. And the next one, evaluating in what is it? Yeah, in the assessment process, while we use CLIL, we will evaluating both content, knowledge. It means that the main topic in the subject that we teach, and also we evaluating the language proficiency. For example, the spelling of the word in special term of math, of science, and so on. And the last one, for teachers, training teachers in CLIL methodologies and strategies. So as a teacher, we also have to improve our skill through training of CLIL. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Do you get my point? Yes, I hope so. Okay, the benefit of CLIL, especially for students, yeah, especially for students. Actually, CLIL will give benefit both for teachers and for students, but focus for students, it will improve their language skill of second language and enhance understanding of subject-specific concept related to the material that we teach. And the next, develop of critical thinking, problem solving, and the creativity. It will be happen when we apply the CLIL in the right way. In the right way, yeah. And the last, CLIL will increase awareness and appreciation of different culture. For example, the culture of the country where the language is from, because CLIL also can be applied in another language, for example Japanese or another language, when we do in that in another country, I guess. But here we will focus in English, of course. That's the benefit that students will get when we applied CLIL in our teaching learning. Yeah, here, because since we have bilingual class, that we have to teach the material in English, so it's so important for us to give the material using CLIL approach, so students will get the benefits. Okay. Nah, that's all of the presentation, my presentation. Thank you so much. Okay, that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, how are you today? Alhamdulillah, I'm so. Do you know today we will study about lesson plan and let's say basmalah together. Uh, Lesson plan today about science, animals, plants, and their habitats, and where do they live. In the fact book, number 1, a habitat is a place where an animal or plant lives. Different animals and plants are found in different habitats. A habitat provides water, food, shelter, other animals and plants. And the aims to establish links between different animals, plants, and habitats. There are some language that the vocabulary, animals, and bird, bumblebee, camel, cow, crab, lizard, dog, elephant, and etc. Yes. And the extra materials maybe just for example, one copy of the activity page for pupil, audio track 12, audio text IWP. And the next, you can give warm up to the students with game, maybe ice breaking, and then divide the class into 3 groups. Give them the habitats to discuss. And the procedure, you can ask, what does a habitat provides? And talk about the food, water, shelter, animals, and plants in its habitats. And 2, you can ask the pupil, what kinds of animals live in its habitat? Discuss with it is like life in these places. And the next about follow-up, you can ask the pupils to name other animals that live on farm, and for example, goat, dog, cat, and repeat for the other habitats, maybe forest, ocean. Yes. Okay. And the next, you can give the student to discuss what each animal needs and what its habitat provides, and make again a group of 3. Give the group some papers to write down the plants and animals in their own habitats. And all of the material you can what's that? Get from this link and the other literature. I think it's enough for everyone. Do you any question? I think no. Thank you. Yes. Okay. Say hamdalah for classing. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me clean the board first. What is it for? Yeah, okay, everyone. Because the time is just 10 more minutes, so we are going to make it faster. And before I deliver about the way how to teach, we are going to make the deal first. Pretend that you are fourth grader student. Yeah, and please be obedient student. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now I will start our activity right now. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys. Good morning, everyone. Okay, and how are you today? Okay, thank you. I'm very good, Matia. Thank you. I do appreciate because you asked my condition and the other didn't do that. Oh, I will give you 1 star in your name. Great. Okay, guys. Today we are going to learn the new material. And what is it about? Our material today will be about habitat. But now, please be patient. Okay, because we are going to learn about this later. For starting our activity today, everyone, I want you to stand up, everyone. Please stand up. Okay. Now we are going to. I will do the ice breaking activity. Yellow is for garden habitat. Red is for desert. Desert, yeah, guys, not desert. Desert. Blue is for ocean. Okay, and then green is for forest. Okay. Now, yeah, guys. While I'm mentioning garden, so you have to touch whatever in this class. Yeah, the color yellow. Okay, and then if I say desert, you have to touch whatever in this class color red. Ocean for blue and forest for green. Is it clear? Yes. Is it clear? But now, I want you to get into the middle of the class. Come on, come here. Get closer to me. Get closer to me. Okay, Imam, come here. Hurry up. Okay. Now, we all can start. Yes, come here. Okay. Now, put your foot, please. What for? I say. Okay, now, your time to touch is just 3 seconds. If in 3 seconds you don't touch it, you are going to have the reward from me. Okay. Now, let's start from forest habitat. 1, 2. Okay, nice. Okay, great. For the next, get closer again. Desert habitat. 1, 2, 3. Tias, no, Tias, come here. You are going to be the no, you come here. Tias, you come here. You are going to be the leader. Okay, nice, good. Next. Ocean habitat. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Diah, you are late. Come here. No, you come here. You come here. Okay, we have two leader. Diah, and then once again. Okay. Garden habitat. 1, 2, 3. Ainun. No, your time is up. Okay. So, we have 3 leaders here. Tias, stand up here. Diah, stand up in the middle. And then Ainun, you stand up there. Face me and then choose the member of your group. Start from Tias. Yo, hurry up, one by one. Yeah, the member of, just one, one by one. Yo, hurry up. Arif, stand up there. Diah.
Mr. Antin.
Miss Antin. Ainun. Hurry up. Hurry up. Miss you. Okay, next. Come on. Time is so almost. Ya, once again terus sampai habis. Ayo cepat. Ayo waktunya habis ini. Mr. Dian, next. Ulin, next. Mr. Dedi, next. Yo, terus cepat. Oke, Bemi, next. Diah cepat ayo. Mr. Madia, come here, next. Mr. Imam, next. Mrs. Me, next. Miss Wardah, and then, Mr. Ali. Okay, now you are in a group. Please sit down. Okay. Yeah. It's been ala apaan. Okay, guys, now please. Yeah, time's up. Okay, yes, you're right. Now, guys, this is our main material today. Okay, we are going to learn about habitat. What is habitat? Is there any one of you have the idea about the definition of habitat? The place where the living thing lives. Very good. Give applause to Ulia and I will give you 1 star to you. Very good. Yes. 1 star. Yes. Ulia. Matia. Okay, nice. Habitat is the place where the living thing lives. Okay. Now, for the next discussion, guys, in your opinion, what habitat provide for the living thing? Food. 1 star for you. Okay, good. Food. What else? Shelter. Ulia. Good too. Star for you. Shelter. Oh, enggak pula anak nilai kok ngapain. Yeah, once again. Food. Yes. Water, yes, Madia, you okay? Yes, water. Okay, food, shelter, and water. That is the main element that the living thing needs, so that they can, continue their life in the habitat. So, what is the aim? Arif is in my heart. Okay. The living thing needs food, shelter, and water so that they can continue their life in this habitat. And the final aim that the living thing lives in the habitat is for live, survive. Okay, very good. Next. No, that's not correct. That's not. Okay, to survive, to live. What else? Ulia, you are right. Yes. Ini materinya dia. Yes. To do, yeah, reproduction. Yes. Yes, to do reproduction. Yes, good. Now, guys, now for the next, every group of you, I will distribute you this paper. Now, I want you to write down as many as possible the living thing. It can be the animal, it can be the plants that you can find in the habitat I will give to you. So every one of you, please prepare your pen or pencils. The time is up. Oh my God. Now, I want you. Yes, sir.
Live in my city, but when it's hungry, it goes down. So
Yeah.
my cat's habitat in my city.
I guess so. Habitat it's not only in narrow area, sir. It can be in a wider area. One of your area, I mean in your kampung, yeah, it can be one. Oh, kampung city. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Now I will give you for Ainon's group. Please write down as many as living thing of the ocean. In this group, write down as many as possible the living thing in desert. Whoa. And now for this group, rainforest habitat. Your time is 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Still 1 more minute. Seaweed. Huh? Madhya, you don't pay. Yes. It can live. It lives. Time is up. One by one start from you, Ainon, in the ocean, right? What is it? Fish, just one. Whale, shark, crab, Ali, plankton, Diah, camel. Mantap, salah. Camel, snake, scorpion, lizard, eagle. It can be Mr. Dian, sorry. Anaconda, Miss May. Tiger, monkey, dragonfly, snake. Okay, very good. And I do believe that all of you can mention many other animals. The next, this is the main point of my teaching. I want you to make the food chain. Food chain. Nah. Chain. I want you to make the food chain, just one food chain, based on the animal that you have, animal or the plant that you have inside your group. Yo, come on, your time is just 1 minute. Yeah, this is the new vocabulary, yeah. This is the new vocabulary for you. Wow, you are so active. Nice. Done? Okay. 30 more seconds. 30 more seconds. And we are late. It's okay. Yeah, after this. Time's up. Okay. Now, every group of you, I want you to choose one representative to stand up and deliver your work. It's up to you. Start from the ocean group. Choose one of your representative. Oh my God, you make our class longer. Who is ready? Which group is ready? You can stand up. This group? Okay, come on, stand up. Wadah, it's okay. Okay, please deliver your work, Wardah. The other, please pay attention. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay, the first. Palm fruit, okay. Consumed by fly. Lizard. Okay, good. Lizard and eagle. Yes, your work is great, Wadah. Nice, good. For the next. Which group? Which group? Which group?
Next.
Okay, yeah. Ainun's group.
Okay. We from first ocean group.
Oh, yeah, ocean group.
Yes.
Grass.
No, seaweed.
Seaweed.
Yes.
Nice.
Baby shrimp.
Baby shrimp.
And fish.
Fish.
And shark.
And eaten
Shark.
by shark.
Yes.
Great work for you. No,
Thank
great over
you.
2 kilo. Great, yeah.
Nice.
Nice. From this group, please stand up and deliver your work. Okay, yeah, Mr. Dian.
Okay, the first from grass.
Okay, grass.
Eaten by caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Eaten by bird.
Bird.
Eaten by snake.
Snake.
Snake by tiger.
Tiger.
Tiger by anaconda.
Anaconda. Oh yeah. Okay lah. Yes, give applause to all of you guys. Your work is nice. Yeah, thank you so much. That's all for our discussion today. You have learned about habitat and then what habitat provide for the living thing inside it and the final aim of the habitat. Okay, and for the new vocabulary, you have learned about the food chain. Okay, and for the next lesson, everyone, we are going to discuss about the position of every living thing here as the producer, consumer one, and so on. Okay, thank you so much. You can stand up, and before we close, let's say Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Thank you.